In different integration, we have done some problems in the last video. Let us continue with the different integration. Right. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. Right? Now, what we have to do? We have done this from tan x by 2. What is t is equal to tan x by 2? 2 dt by 1 plus t square is equal to dx. Right? Next, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. We are applying tan formula, sir. Cos in terms of tan. So 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to 1. Enduku, sir? Pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4. So what is the value? We get 1. Now, put the integration 0 to 1, 1 by 4 plus 5 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Right? Therefore, 0 to 1, 2 outside, 1 by 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 minus 5 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square will get cancelled. 0 to 1, open the bracket, 4t square plus 5 minus 5t square dt. 0 to 1, 1 by 9 minus t square. What is the formula? 9 minus t square will come. Right? So this is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So our standard formula we have to apply. Then what will happen? 2 into 1 by 2a. This is nothing but 1 by 3 square minus t square. 1 by 2a. 2 into 3 log of 3 plus x by 3 minus x. I am putting limits for only this one, 0 to 1. Right? Limits దీనికి అప్లై చేస్తాం సార్. So this 2 will get cancelled. 1 by 3. Upper limit 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus log of 3 plus 0 by 3 minus 0. So upper limit minus lower limit. So this becomes 1 by 3 log of 4 by t, 2 sir, minus 3 plus 0 by 3 minus 0, 3 by 3, 1. We know log 1 is 0. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 log 1. Means our standard method of application, sir. Okay, standard method of application. Then substitution values. We have to apply that formula, sir. Okay, please note on this. Next problem. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. Okay, now look at here the substitution. T is equal to sin x minus cos x. I am not putting sin x plus cos x. What is the derivative of this? Cos x minus of sin x is cos x is minus sin x, so plus sin x dx. So which is there in the numerator. Next, t square is equal to sin x minus cos x whole square. I am squaring both the sides. So this becomes sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. So this is t square is equal to 1 minus sin 2x. Right? So sin 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. So we got sin 2x value 1 minus t square. Then we have to change the limits. X is equal to 0, t is equal to sin 0 minus cos 0. it is minus 1 because sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is minus 1. X is equal to pi by 4. So t is equal to sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, which is 0. Right? Therefore, integration of 0 to pi by 4. 0 is becoming what, sir? Minus 1. Pi by 4 is becoming 0. Right? Sin x plus cos x is replaced by dt. Next, 1 by 9 plus 16 into 1 minus t square dt. So I am replacing everything, sir. Currently replace chestunna, sir. Now, minus 1 to 0, 1 by 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square dt. So 1 by dt. Okay, so take 25 common, sorry 16 common, 1 by 16, 1 by 25 by 16 minus t square dt, minus 1 to 0, right? Minus 1 to 0. Okay, you have to change the limits, sir. That is very, very important. This can be written 1 by 16, 1 by 5 by 4 whole square minus t square dt. Right? Therefore, it is again which formula? 1 by a square minus x square dx, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So, 1 by 16 into 1 by 2a. 2a means what, sir? 5 by 4 into log of a means what, sir? 5 by 4 plus x by 5 by 4 minus t. What is the limits? Minus 1 to 0. You have to be careful with the limits. So 2 will get cancelled 2 times, 2 will get cancelled 8 times, 2 will get cancelled 2 times, 2 will get cancelled 8 times. So this is 1 by 40 log of upper limit is 0 plus 0 by minus lower limit is what, sir? 5 by 4 minus 1 by 5 by 4 plus 1, right? So this will come 1 by 40 log of, this is 1, sir, log 1 minus, observe here, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 4 will come, here 5 plus 4 9, so 1 by 9 will come. Okay, so what I have done, apply this formula. Okay, please note down up to here. Okay dear, 1 by 40 log of 1 minus log of 1 minus log of 9. Why, sir? Log of a by b is what, sir? Log a minus log b. So 1 by 40 log 1 is 0, inside also 0 minus log 9. So this becomes, open the bracket, this is 0, this is 0, this becomes log 9. So log 9 can be written log of 3 square, which is nothing but 1 by 20 log 3. So here we are simplifying, log 1 by 9 is nothing but log 1 minus log 9. So 0 minus log 9 minus of minus become plus log 9. Log 9 can be written 3 square. So 1 by 20 log 3. Up to here you have to do it. Okay, please note down. Let x is equal to tan theta. So what is the dx? Secant square theta d theta. Observe here what I am doing. Now x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0. Okay, when you put x is equal to tan theta, x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi by 4. Because tan 45 is 1, sir. So we are changing the limits. Okay, now I will put the values. 0 to, that is 0 to pi by 4, 1 log of 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta into dx is replaced by secant square theta d theta. These two will get cancelled because 1 plus tan square theta, secant square theta. Now I will call it as I. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. I will call it as equation number 1. Now look at this problem. Again I can be used 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta. Why sir? Formula 0 to a f of x is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. This formula I am applying. So it is because I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, d theta, right? So it is because I is equal to 0 to pi by 4. Observe here, log of pi by 4 is 1 sir, tan pi by 4 is 1, tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, right? So if you take LCM, what will happen? I is equal to 0 to pi by 4, 1 plus tan theta by plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta d theta. Okay, so tan theta will get cancelled. I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta. You got it as second equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. So what I have done? I have applied this formula. F of x is equal to f of a minus x formula. Apply this answer. Then you have taken tan 45 is 1. So I have taken LCM, cancellation has come. Okay, now copy up here. Now I have add 1 and 2. Here 1 plus 2. What am I 1 plus 2? 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta plus log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta, because both are then 0 to pi by 4 on sir. Now 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 4. This is log a plus log b. So log of ab. So 1 plus tan theta into 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta. These two will get cancelled. So what is the left over? 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 4. This log 2 will be left over. Ante kada sir? These two will get cancelled. Only log 2 will be left over. So again, this becomes what sir? 2i is equal to, what is 2i? Log 2 outside, integration of 0 to pi by 4, 1 d theta. So 2i is equal to log 2, 1, 0 to pi by 4. That is theta. d theta means theta will come. dx unte x vastundi sir, d theta ante theta vastundi. So upper limit 2i is equal to log 2 pi by 4 minus 0. So I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Okay. We have added 1 plus 2. Log a plus log b is log of ab. So 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta will get cancelled. You get log 2. Bring outside and put integration for 1 d theta, which is theta. Put the limits, then you get log 2 will come. Okay. X sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Put I. Again, I is equal to 0 to pi minus x into sin of pi minus x by 1 plus cos pi minus x whole square dx. Again, which formula? 0 to a f of x is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. Okay. So this becomes I is equal to 0 to pi pi minus x into sin 180 minus theta sin theta. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but square is there. So it becomes 1 plus cos square x dx. You call it as equation number 2. You call it as equation number 1. Now 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 2i is equal to 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x plus pi minus x into sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, I am adding this. 2i is equal to 0 to pi x sin x plus pi sin x minus x sin x by cos x. Why? LCM is same, open the bracket. So x sin x will get cancelled. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Here pi will come. Now we have to find integration for this. Okay. Now look at here. So what I have done? I have replaced pi minus x, then this one we have done. Copy up to here. Let t is equal to cos x. What is dt? Minus sin x dx. Okay. Next. X is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 because cos 0 is 1. X is equal to pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So we have changed the limits. So 2i is equal to pi into x sin x dx is minus dt, sir. So minus 1 by 1 plus c square dt. What are the limits? Minus 1 to plus 1. So what I have done? I have changed the limits 1 to minus 1. 1 to minus 1 because 0 is 1, sir. Pi is minus 1. So minus y it is coming because sin x dx is a minus side. So 2i is equal to minus pi into. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Tan inverse t. What are the limits? 1 to minus 1. Right? We have done integration. Okay. So here first part is very, very important. Second part integration is very simple. So what will happen? 2i is equal to minus pi. Upper limit is minus 1. Minus 1 minus tan inverse of 1. Okay. 2i is equal to minus pi. Tan inverse minus 1 means minus pi by 4 because tan 45 is 1. Here minus pi by 4. So this becomes 2i is equal to minus pi into minus 2 pi by 4. So this minus minus will become plus. 2i is equal to 2 pi square by 4. So I is equal to pi square by 4. Is it clear? So here integration is very simple, but the part of simplification is very, very important. Please note down this. X sin cube x dx. You call it as I. Again I is equal to 0 to pi minus x into sin pi minus x dx. Okay. So this becomes I is equal to 0 to pi minus x sin 180 minus theta sin cube x dx. You call it as second equation. You call it as first equation. So I plus I is equal to 0 to x sin cube x plus pi minus x into sin cube x dx. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi. Okay, if you open the bracket, x sin cube will get cancelled. What is the left over? Dx will be left over. And take it, sir. If you open x minus x sin cube will get cancelled with plus sin x cube. Left over is pi. So 2i is equal to pi into 0 to pi. Sin cube can be written sin square x into sin x dx. So what I have written, sin cube x is nothing but sin square x into sin x. So 2i is equal to pi into 0 to pi. This can be written 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. So put t is equal to cos x. So what is it? dt. I'll write here. So t is equal to cos x. What is dt? Minus sin x dx. Right? Next step. X is equal to 0, t is equal to 1. X is equal to pi, t is equal to minus 1. Like similarly, one problem we have done, same model. Okay. 2i is equal to pi into integration of 0 is what, sir? 1. And pi is equal to minus 1. 1 minus t square dt with minus sign. Minus sign outside arrow. So 2i is equal to minus pi. So we have to find integration of this. Integration of 1 dt minus integration of t square dt with 1 to minus 1, 1 to minus 1. So 2i is equal to minus pi. This becomes what, sir? T. 1 to minus 1 minus t cube by 3, 1 to minus 1. So put the values, sir. 2i is equal to minus pi, minus 1, minus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Minus of minus 1 by 3. Lower limit is minus 1 by 3. Right? So this becomes upper limit minus lower limit. So what will happen? 2i is equal to minus pi. This is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Minus of minus become plus 2 by 3. So this becomes 2i is equal to minus pi. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 by 3. So this becomes minus of minus become plus. I is equal to 2 pi by 3. Right? Cancellation, sir. Okay. So what will happen? Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. This type of problems are very, very important. Today we have seen some typical problems, sir. We will continue some more problems in this exercise. Okay. Right.